Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up a couple things in our Microsoft 365 session. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to set up organizational profile. So when you go to portal.office.com, which I will do now, you'll see something like this default page. There will be nothing in there, just your standard thing. And if you are an admin, which I am in this case, you'll see an admin icon. You're going to click in here. And from the admin icon, you're going to hit show all. And then under show all, you're going to click the drop down menu for settings, or you can pin it. And then from here on, you're going to click on organizational setting or org setting, and then hit organization profile. From here, we're going to update our organization information. So click on organization information. We have something put in already, but we're going to change this to something else. We're going to put in a Datum Corporation. It's one of the Microsoft fictitious company, and the address is set to one Microsoft way. We're going to change this to 555 Main Street for the purpose of the demo. And then we also gonna keep the city in Washington, the state in Washington. City is gonna be Redmond. Microsoft or Redmond just seems to work. And then in the bottom, we're gonna keep it as English as our language, and we're gonna save it. That is just a simple way of changing your organization setting, just like that. We are done. But it's more. Now that we did this, we're gonna need to control the release preferences. What this means is Microsoft is continuously working on releasing new software features all the time, and that would mean that they would wanted to see if you want to get it ahead of everybody else, or if you want to wait to become a general availability. In this case, if we release preferences, you're gonna see that it has the option. So if you look at the first option, is we're not getting any release features. We're getting when Microsoft release software to everybody else, we're gonna get it. And this one is a target release to everyone. So every time something gets released in our organization, we're gonna give it to everybody else for this option, target release for everyone. This target release for select people is for when we have pilot users, tech savvy users that want to try the new and great features that Microsoft is working on. And I think this is more appropriate. So we're going to select from target release, for select users. And then from that point on, we are going to go ahead and add our users here. So we're going to hit save. Once we hit save, we're going to hit select users to add. And then we're going to add the user. So the first user is going to be Alex. Second user is going to be Jonas. The other one is going to be Lynn Rubin. And then we have MOD administrator. And then we're going to also add it, Patty Fernandez. So we're going to hit save. Once you hit save, you have to give it a minute or so before this starts showing up. Right now, it says they were added, but they're not showing up over here. Once they are fully saved, it should show up over here. And so we're going to give it a second, and then we're going to refresh to see it. So we're going to close this, click on release preferences. So you can see they start showing up right now, the 5 users we added. So that's another thing you can do to customize your organization. So that way you can try new things. The next thing we could try is we could come over here, scroll up, and click on custom themes. This is where you could add like the colors you like. By default, we're gonna hit select show user display names. We could do prevent user from overriding their themes. We could do that. We can add logo, custom logo, if you will. We can also add the colors. If you don't like this default colors, we can go ahead and change the colors and change them to whatever we like. And now we're gonna hit save. Now our color will be saved as that. So if we come back to colors now, you can see the colors we have is different. So that's again one of the ways you can modify a couple, handy features for your user to make your tenant more personalized. But we can go on and on. We can even go ahead like do like a help desk information. We could do other cool things. Add a custom app launcher tile. Like instead of our regular app, we can have our company website and whatnot. So that's it for the demo here. I hope this was helpful, and please go ahead and change your organizational profile in your Microsoft tenant if you haven't done so already. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.